This is their asset,
Madam,
no?
I think this is for your.
Lay down.
Sakti bro.
Dedicated to the people of this boy, no? Hi, how are you? Propagate is the word? Okay.
This is the hub where we have all the vehicles.
And in one basket, how many will likely flower? Six spikes per year. So that will be 30 into 6. And then the cost of this?
This block, only the block is 125 rupees per block right now. Earlier it was cheaper. And moreover, madam, 6,000 rupees they have already sold this plant. They have owned this.
So nice, yeah? Can you feel this is very unique.
Total 12,000 right now in the hub.
Very nice, very nice. And then we go on and on the same way, no? So eventually, after some years, these will also produce new.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So beautiful, so nice, beautiful. You should try and acclimatize it to our own materials and all that, so that yes. This is just the initial stage. We try this for the other three. We have another hub like this. Yes, the one where you have an outlet as well. Or rather, tourists go. No, next to it, there's one big idea where these tourists go. That is Australian. All located. No problem. Come.
I have to wait for the.
Information of all the dignitaries, the invitees, friends, ladies and gentlemen, the beneficiaries, the students of this brand new school. I would like to mention that this program today is a culmination of brainstorm interaction facilitated by Dr. Muhammad Aslam, who is the former advisor to the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, in which we have conducted several brainstorming workshops, including the Northeast brainstorming workshop, in which we have prioritized certain activities or certain areas as low-hanging fruits, in which one of the low-hanging fruit that was prioritized in those particular workshops is the bio-entrepreneurship. And we are very glad to say that today we are witnessing the fusion of that, of all those interactions that has taken place over the years. Performance by the students of this Karano speech.
WELCOME, come, we welcome, 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 welcome to all of you. We welcome, 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 welcome to all of you. W say we are blessed, E say excitement. W say we are blessed, E say excitement. We welcome, 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 welcome to all of you. O say original, M say magical. O say original, M say magical. We welcome, 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 welcome to all of you. We welcome, 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 welcome to all of you.
T.
Kublai, Yafi Baro. Proud moment for IEST and DRDC family. When we have that women bioentrepreneurship program, orchid floriculture, supported from the BIHET, Department of Biotechnology, and that is already dedicated to the women entrepreneurs of Meghalaya under this Bionest Incubator program. And we are so happy to get our chief guest of today's program, Dr. AMPAREEN, Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. On behalf of us, we would like to welcome you for your time. And in fact, we are waiting for this day that when these things will be, things have started, but the formal dedication of some program was due for a long time. And we have with us Dr. Celestine Lindo, the Honorable MLA of this Umsing block. Thank you, sir, for coming over here. And Sri Gunanka, BB, the Joint Secretary of Planning Department, Government of Meghalaya, and Member Secretary of the Bioresource Development Center, BRDC, AMPAREEN, who is one of our own partner with Dr. Yuni and all the scientists of BRDC who have been very instrumental along with our own scientists, Dr. Shukla, Dr. Pradeep Rudraj, Dr. Iha, and Dr. Albert Chang, who initiated the whole program. Now he is working under the Meghalaya government itself. They all were very, very instrumental in developing the whole aspects. I am very happy to welcome Sri E. Lindo, the BDO of this Umsing block. And in fact, the person behind this whole event is none other than Sister Margaret Tom, who has been very, very instrumental in all our team to establish this facility, specifically the hub here and the spokes nearby. And Sister with her whole team has been very, very effective and very helpful to us at IEST as well as BRDC for developing this whole program. I would like to welcome all the friends from media and press and my dear students of this Farando Center who really welcome us in a very magical way. This was something which was really unexpected, and this is something they really enjoyed the welcome note what they put in today's program. to make this at this particular Unsing block, which I am very sure that we will be able to take it forward to a high extent for livelihood generations for the local people at large. Thank you, Jaidin.
You kindly with the honor of appreciating our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. AMPAREEN Bengal. Please give a round of applause. Please give a round of applause. This is the medal now. Which is called the Rindia, is a handmade product of the beneficiaries from the SSG's group. From the village of Maulong Nongtulu, Kumling block, and the Boki presented are the dendrobium hybrid produced by a project beneficiaries, and SSG from Kumling and Kumsling block.
IDSB and the DRDC, and moreover the benevolent nature of sister and the authorities whose guideline has brought this to represent this whole task of work. It is a big task given to me, and I owe my heartfelt thanks to all those who are involved in the bringing this day by bringing this Herculean task to a state where, to a level where we are handing over this to all our beneficiaries. This project started on 27th of July 2020, and we started this work with the survey work. The title of the project was the setting up the bioincubator to develop women bioentrepreneurship through orchid floriculture. And now, through this project, we have the infrastructure of 1,000 square meter hub and 10 spokes each of 300 square meter, which we have now dedicated to all the beneficiaries of Kumsling, CR and RD block of this region.
Basically, this bionest incubator program, now we have taken this program under our this mission bioeconomy from bioresources, which was the program which was inaugurated by former honorable Vice President of India 2023. So he has visited ISG in fall in 2021 and then initiated this program. From that, from last 2 years, we are doing many activities under this program. And during this visit, I want to highlight here that he has also inaugurated phytopharmaceutical mission of IDSG, which as mentioned by Director IDSG, Professor Kulak, that we are documenting, scientifically validating and evaluating traditional knowledge, traditional healer knowledge of Manipur. So I want to highlight here about this phytopharmaceutical mission. that we are doing this particular program under this Himalayan Varishul Mission, where PhD, PRTC are the partners, with many more issues from all over India. This is under the Himalayan Varishul Mission, and this is how the flowchart, how best we can harness the information and make available this in the form of product for the global market. So as the detail has been mentioned by Director IDSG, that how best laws are there, how best we can harness. So we urge the government of Meghalaya that we want to take this initiative in Meghalaya also. Already work has been started, but this initiative can be taken forward. With this, thank you very much.
Good morning, Madam Secretary. All the dignitaries in the dais, all invited friends, especially the members from the IDC and IDSP who have been a support to us for the implementation of this project here. My dear sisters, that God has given us an opportunity to make use of it for our livelihood. Let's make use of it. And if you really want, take it forward. We can earn, we can stand on our own feet, we can take it forward and can make it a model for other parts of the state. We just started selling few flowers and we daily get calls for flowers, but we don't have, the flowers are just bloomed. Just starting to bloom. So let's hope that we all of us join hands together to make use that is given to us. The government has provided this an opportunity to grow and make ourselves sustainable. So let's make use of it.
I would like to call upon Dr. Saraswati India to give me a speech.
Thank you, Thomas. Honorable Chief Guests of today's function, Madam AMPAREEN, who is the Minister for Agriculture and other departments, Professor Pulak Mukherjee, Shri Gunanka, Joint Secretary, the Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Shukla, Dr. Manoj, Sister Murli, and Dr. Juni P. Lindor, who has been instrumental in contacting me and highlighting to me about this program here today on the instruction of our Madam. Kachikuplay Galik Shapi Baro, Kilomkni, Kiramba, Bakikon Samlan. When I look at the title of the program, Women Bioentrepreneurship Program, Orchid Floriculture. Kumno wan pensyur ya kilom kemi, ban sedak ya kikam lajong, lengba kajintung ya kini syntiew. Ke Sorkar kemi, ke Sorkar jela, kibuk shibun kitong, ki objektif, banwara kajintung ana kajingkim jongi kung kinom sonsno. Bang apa yang kena leaflet ke bawah yasam, ngai ihang ni, berkira haru kadwari lagi self-help groups bayo kajing kersan. Si hajar mut kinomrep ki bawah train, kumno bantung syntiew. But she's part mut 100 self-sufficient women entrepreneurs. Kajing kali kalong. Kamu tayo self-sufficient. Balai ke Sorkar kakwa AMP, bapinsip bentang kini di program tung syntiew. Ke objektif ke bakatu kalong, bak iway pa iway nangi, long kini de long pa, ni de banla banian hala hijau hijau. Yen ha kijon ki kijar kamun ngala ban benmi bisa ada ka ban trei ki kam le jong. Ban kersya ki kayin kasan besar ki kul ki ban pendit penbiang yang ki parlo ki balon kami ka jingra chona. Kata dia tom. Dengan smokeman banyak ini mereka singkat kena ke projek kebaran ini. Mo ke Center IBSD Institute of Bioresource Development, Bioresource and Sustainable Development. Sustainable kemun nakaju kekam ngayo obat kamai bisa nakawai kepor syakawai kepor. Larang ain usai pi, larang adon kecaka, bat kapok kecaka jonga gidon kimau, ngapen tre kuari, iben berhei kimau, ngadi kimau, kapoi kepor mau tu umau ulut. Anda ulut, kamlong sustainable ship. Tehen relengma kakam tung syntiew, kasyong nakajik smart jongi. Kawamot lengma kini ki syntiew, ngila ban nangyay beteng kajinyo syntiew klem ayom mo. Haganono ka ayom ro, habaninang ban tungiki ngila ban di syntiew. Haganono ko mo yay doro syntiew, ngakin mau. Every 2nd of November, All Souls Day. If we go to Shillong, go to any flower shop, you will never find flowers because they have all been booked. All Souls Day. The one many hari boilu, ladang idon sipun ki program, pilih jadi dukan beli syntiew ki om piklam book lupa te. Kabamut, kadiman kadon. Waksha bagi greenhouse ki badon taki compound jompi, bakin teli. I bagi syntiew kin pu kin plum, but I makapisa pilih kan poi di kisam kicompi bangin yarway pan. Kulisya jambo.
Thank you so much, sir, for your very inspiring address, particularly for highlighting the significance of this event to all the beneficiaries, the women folk, and also to the people of this particular we as a center, we also would like to extend a full support in supporting all these SSGs. The Honorable Minister, Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, Health and Family Welfare Department and other departments to give away her address on this event.
To all of you. It's afternoon. Very good afternoon to all of you. The MLA of 11 Singh, Dr. Celestian Bingo. Always a pleasure to work with you, Doctor. And it is a privilege to once again share with you this platform where we are working to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much, dear Sister Marley. You have done so much, Sister. Unbelievable to see that in such a remote place, what was it called? Nongdingan. I've never been here. First time I'm coming here, Sister. Such an honor to come here. Today I'm more happy not only because we are formally inaugurating this bio-entrepreneurship program. I'm more happy, Sister, that I can see that your children are actually learning the sign language. Thank you to all of you who cannot hear. See, the world, Sister, is moving at a very fast pace and it is inclusive in nature.
Maraming sister na ay mo karpang yei. Hakani ka step kaay ka wapens no tama na kalong. Banyo i pakikun ki jumi ki pagam hagi kajing jong kajing duna ki konten kinang pagkren. Kani gede kasni ka mentam ya na. Pakani ka institute kawan syakili kitan. Dan aji start. Jadi kita dalam jinguna kita konten jadi. Sister, in this generation, we have lawyers recognized by the Supreme Court who are differently able. Just the other day, sister, I have allotted one medical seat to a student with disabilities. And in the new reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya, we are compulsorily giving adequate representation and reservation of jobs to people who are differently abled. Kapamut ba nganang sudah pa puli doktor yei ikna ibuduna kajib yosmo hagishkor bijogi ila braille education iban design yaki courses kiboper ban penkampi yakajingan yakajing start na kabentaki kena jingna konven kiboper Sorkar Meghalaya Kalhai yang kecing itu bat kecing mengkerpang kikam kijam naga benong song bedong kijing duna haki dekot ben kiboper yo kikam kikna kibale se haki snem kibalade naban ben bat lapuri iki haki kendong jong kikam ratia hak ye kisem jongi school ba hak ni kejaka ka ay nga katulad papilanang mapimperlagam yang sign language kiladang kita ki heroes kiboper kibaduna kibotlet tujuki kibale hak kata hak jikin tujuki hak ni tujuki pilong kikena kibak gerbang nak berdanta kejungi simnya kami kelak ke kebuksian buat mempi pilong kami badai luar kibalat trei ya kikam berpenroi ya kelongi kelongsen ra ya kade kekana kebabha jadi yen kisem jadi dong kishong kijongpi. Thank you again, sister. So delighted to come here. Our sister has been included in a government scheme. You will shortly get a black topped road all the way here. And for your I know you to me. Wala idon na kaliang persya assembly. Hindi niya trei lang. Pat kaniga surok mentah pinyo Shen in stagno one train, one pet, mama pi kita, kispo, kita kispo, am tepi, pipay na pimpay, kispo, kiday kituntot kibarit, kahap, kaday kami, kabahe, layunin ya kasyaka, labiong syaka, kalikulay ne, syaka. Skutarne, saka kaline, katuhapneng, ikot kita kaham. Kinipan, ibabat, ya kata kita kispo. Kabamut katway teli kita kispo, kimpentelun ya kane kaham. Pilong try mopi, ngile tang ki clear ki basu ai jingaram pilok trai mo pi pin ri kanong mo pi pin pen san mo pi bat pentelun ya kata kasyaka pakan poi syaki caka yo ano ba Pagkalawan ke jok tumai, berkata kalong, ya bawa pi ong bakasoka karena kami ma pi pimpeni ya kamai ke gaji berhai pisai kasoka. Man bawa trei ya kakam najong, piwan ra ya kata kamai ke gaji kata jela najong. Barengan ya tu ya pi. Yo pipet hati bi pi ong baga Amerika di dari ke berus pak pagkari ke berkerku ki play pi dong kelah hati mo ke sikat dari Amerika dari keri ke bagi problem di bakrantam haga pertai kita keri Amerika kadang-kadang 8% kinong dari Sorkar lain nampak iba trei na kam na jom iba kam yo burong KLET syaki kun kikti berkakamai kejak ko bangin ayeki kejing nang kejing stan bangin te na kapentang ikun di jomi ngama ang kuning balada pias no ketirin kan Magnet bahawa pipa school yuki kon pikang pa eki ballet shong sakri na yeng jong ki trai ki shong haki chakasot pikang pa eki kon jong ki ballet pas ding nam ding snap sa lomba shalom pan pentrei duriak eki haki dukan hapuris bejar Yang ha egi kon mi jong pi balik wak kejintang kejistan balik yang lain ban apply mot ya kam pion kam pi trina kam kan padran ha egi kon mi jong pi ban wak ya kejintang kejistan badai mo ki kimi ki ban hikai ha ka pakai zaman wan ngapha ya ki kon shalom ba shalom ne shalom po Bagi wang itu jinang kejistan, bagi wang pai dan kata jintip jinang kejuki, banyak yang ni kiberan kam dunang kejinang kejistan. Hak ini dijakasa isnong kejungi, bagi wang bagi kita yang ni dia keteng kerja, kini kaya yang ni dia kata bagi orang kaman keteng. Bila tong sitom yang ni syntiew. Kumno pindi yung bilawan berkat. Pinra hakho, pantayat nagigi, pantayat hapi sumo ki bastem ki balet ki yaw shishalo, pantra, pansnew, kumno pimaket yaki. Hindi kitang omyangan, pauniw syntiew, haduan panay. Syntiew umanga panim lenter na kabentaan benay. Kabawat prim dan kamsyo banbo kita ki preservation lagi panim susu ya kini ki syntiew ki jongpi kabawat het ang ki fridge papuntan dan nren sa Gulanka now we need to teach them value. How do you package this? Where do you sell this? How will we place them? If flowers come all the way from other Asian nations to the states of Meghalaya and are marketed efficiently, how do we train our people? What is the next step towards empowering them in the true sense? We need to think of that. And I'm so happy that the Meghalaya Basin is also involved in this program. I'm so happy that all these different organizations DIB, SD, VR, DC. Ngan ya thu ya fees sa kawai de. Mentang ni kang ki doktor, ki nurse, ki lecturer, ki dong ki school, ki ma imja ako pertai. Dan ini pak fokus. Pertai madam ibai, pertai ki scientist. Pios ngomai mudang keren untuk besar mana? What I knew, Pulok Mukherjee Monsa. Your good name is Professor Pulok Mukherjee. Mentang agak sa kawai kajat kampung scientist. Tila da pipuli ya ka science lada pidong kata ka jingstam kata jingtram puli ya ka subject science lalu ko pintrei ya ka kam scientist. But ini sa tusni ya kendo bitin malam ni bay. Ay kendo ini hari ni kendo tayo to dem. Ini sa Thomas Lily la panikai ni titik kinong ay dawai kasi Kumno bansnabaha yaitu dawai ijuki banla bande hakiyau sanjak pertai. Mentangi dongkam saya kita ki scientist ne bilang ong yang ada ni bangi dang hak tengkang you snap jongku snap core wahapan ra nadu saukin dia ong lani nago hati hakikat tu hati cakap batla kon thong you syntiew kam hauka pakom na lo kimdom dom dom shu ban step yekini ki syntiew ban thong yeki hakum kita ki jing thong ki ba ki happy ba lu pertai sesni siu shi spa sa thong iwe ti ko ni hawan but ini ki scientist lengkap but ki scientist jong pi kilok kune lada pi combine phin satik ken kumno banten im banten he banten sam yu syntiew ha kita ki polyhouse jong pi balai pi kam ki polyhouse nim kam ki polyhouse tamat istai na jakat thum polyhouse di dalam la jong ka science bahkan tentu yang ni kita kumela dan bila dalam ikon di berapa kelas 12 di berapa BA, BCom, BSc semua hakot no yaki syakas long bajongpi. Bakin wan ya rapat yapi. Kumno bandi, kumno banten hasusu, kumno banten tenun, banpet bahawat thung yu syntiew. Ngimte bantunut palak ya sanpong lagi berumpo tentang. Nah, tapi nanti way syntiew hakador lais pas sampol. Pinyo tep lakabunta kamai juga yang lais pas tentang. So sa gunanka, I hope that they will be given a vehicle, prime vehicle. So, way SHG apply no ito kali kapan ay yung SHG yung fee ba kasorkar buta na ay sa kakali de papinom hapat manut kabay kali siya te kano ka business ka mag-trei nagakamyo kajinyo nung kabalak nung kanyo po prapo persen ngayon sa yan no ngayon sa yan hadno ngayon sa siya Pag itu di polyhouse, di bawusar, kawarna, nagadiin. Saya thung penban, saya bu penban lagi siap. Dan mohong i doktor. Lawan, melapjing thung. Lap tadi, lap pendala storehouse, lap pendala kasung, But, katamo kalau namapa, Pinyo ya kata ke profit margin dari kejingsai so. Naman ni kung bicat pengriyong iyong ni 30% ni dengan yo pamay 9%. Regi ng kaman berkelai dari kejungin. But ngin invest 6% lada yo nong kang 1% na sin kabanang sa kami nilay. Ngaterman bayar di training di bapiyo hakan kita. kiyo yakum kita jing kita. Naman nga ni kalong kami kabadan lain kikon nadaki ong yang nga kilikray kadubot pagkam nadangam niyo nong nan pagpakja da kikon. Nakakakadaw ni kam banyan. Pet yakali kakam ni ay kulay ni scientist jumi pet ibang din sem ibagret kasi sudah baro at kamumat ba kastit ka jumi ng tangi mabiyang yakita ki start sayan ibala bantang urlong yakata ka jingla jong ka central government but ni ay kulay yaw Professor Pulong Kumno. Thank you so much, sir. Very impressive biodata. Very learned scientist. You are an asset to the nation. And all the time that you spend in a faraway place like Meghalaya, sir, you are investing for the future of this nation. Thank you, sir, very sincerely. And we hope that all of your efforts to bring from the government of India this support. Just recently, sir, last week I was in Delhi, where the government of Meghalaya was recognized by government of India for our green achievements in sustainable development goals. And this is one of the projects that has received very positive responses. I am just a minister, sir, at the top of that pyramid. But it is people like sir, the video, scientists, and their own staff who are actually doing the good work and toiling hard to change perceptions of sustainable growth. We are rich in biodiversity, but are poor in knowledge. And it is scientists like all of you who come to the state of Meghalaya and encourage us and teach us. I personally have learned a lot of new things today. Nga, larang kami nga namiyo sing hikay ng takasing. Ka future, lami ka laway ka din jong pi hikon sa nagari. Siyem na din ka kabu, trei shikam, trei testa. Bapan lam yung so, jong ka jing trei minap ka jong pi. Ban kentiu ya ka long ye ka jong pi, ka imlam ka salang ka jong pi. Ban nga ay kublay gini ki katway tili ki self-help groups ka sinyang lang ka laway mo pranay ka snok ti lang ka yay kentoy lang ka lam jing shay ka playlan per sara yat tili lang yat ray lang but kung tagdeten kapag pet ikinikikirteng jong self-help group jong fee baro ngayon ikaway kapadar lang barok sulong pagkatakalong let lang ay lang senyang lang play kita pilat ilenti tong inyat hang yikiniki jaka bangin ya kamay kaji kibupit kibubiyang nawa kan kiyo ka imlang ka saklang ka jongi ngin ay yapi ya kita bilar irinti kidok ka jingkali parabor kan rongkumi pipan kin ay kini magilale ang iba ipi lo ini Kanilang im, niro, kanilayak, hanggang pagkakmausyo ko to. Sinabi Dr. Kumno ng Malaysia, Kumno sa Western Rio, natin na si Messi. Lawan kai, siya politics. Siya ka din tsaka job begini perkatalan. But ni ke Sorkar ni itu politics ada kamai dekat. Ni kuah banyak lek kau dia kata politics nak bentau mana. Ai kita nang ya kuah banyak lek politics gimana ya lek politics. Ngingin wanlang berjinglah. Ngingin penkerau ya kata kamai dekat. Ngingin wanlang ya pi ya kejengin ke teman. Tang kawai iban na pi iban ba joga nong dengan but dagi katway tali isnong di bulan saudong joga ni jaka mapinrishidong penmentoy penmi penkiyaw irap ya kainang kasalam pagkikot kikiki jogi kin kunay ya kajing jo kajing boleh pa. Kita ni buat juang dengan pastor bang yo kam yo jam. Kita keren unta ki di anak ki berak maka juk to lalek. Kam menor. Ki politics ki wan menta. Ki ale ayu kita. Aro ki malak ki telur lalek sampo lalek ro pinok kene. Ni kwa e pinta ko mai. Yang chief minister juga jelas begini, congrats sama. Bat mangi ki menteri, bat ki MLA lang barang. Ibuat epi bat penmentoy. Penmentoy, bat what clear cow politics. Andang nilala mengingkiw maka imlang salang lajong. Ngin saya kana politics hagapor ya kana politics. Tabalat nang ta. Ngara ay mo siya sister. Baila mangs ngobhalang. Nakita di pala eyes ngobhan. Ya kani jana. Bandani ya kani kapham. Kapham fung syntiew. Mene nang ya kanabi Dr. Bong. Nang doktor. Diuli lalek ayu. Nin siya Nilai bokong itu ikhlam bayo jingla kai kamai ni lepetan itu jingla kai kamai itu jingla kai dem bulan ini berpelim ini berpende ini berpensa ini berpengkiu bagi le ya kami om nam kai dari mulai nak tak jing halam jam baru ni kwa berpendi kai jadi patpa papiyen halor kijong kijang.
A very good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of the Bioresources Development Center and the Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, I express my heartfelt thanks to all who have made this event possible. I especially thank our chief guest of this occasion, Honorable Minister in charge of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Health and Family Welfare, and other departments, Dr. AMPAREEN. Ma'am, thank you so much for creating this Women Bio-Entrepreneurship Program on orchid floriculture. Your words of inspiration and your encouragement on this special day are greatly appreciated. We thank you, ma'am, for a woman that we should really take inspiration, because when we first met Sister Murdy, she was all alone in this institute, and when we met her, she did not even have electricity. I was so amazed by the work that she has done. In fact, I think she has a cattle farm, and it contributes a lot to the state veterinary diary also. And she's really an amazing woman, and we have a lot to thank her for giving us this space and the facility to promote this entrepreneurship program. With utmost appreciation, we extend our sincere thanks to all the honored guests here. We have our local MLA or the Honorable MLA of Using constituency, Dr. Celestine Lingdor. Sir, thank you so much for your speech. It is really very valuable and we really appreciate it. Your encouragement to the entrepreneurs here. And I would also like to thank the other dignitaries here present, DFO, Shri E. Lingdor, MCS, and we also have Pak Shanrang here with us, Chief Operating Officer of the Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. We have both the institutions, IBSD and BRTC, are really thankful to MSRS, for they are the ones who have mobilized and identified the self-help groups, the women entrepreneurs. And our special thanks, especially to Iraq DPT for funding this project. We also like to show our gratefulness and gratitude to both the heads of our institutions, Sri Gunaka DB, IFS, and Professor Gulab Mukherjee, for they have been very supportive and instrumental in rolling out this program, and they are always encouraging us to strive for excellence. Sister, again, I would like to give my thanks. And Yabaro Kinigi, SHG Smoking, the Semlong me, the Igo AP number, Bakilong, Kita Kilong me, Kibashur, Kibara, Kabaklan Run me, Bashim, Bentawani, America project, Makani, Kadeka, Santa Kongong, Kalai, opportunity, Finlay, Kadeka, Bafim, Patu, the Yami, Bafilanget, kami bakane ka project kani ka kam thung syntiew being kanwanra ya kata kal livelihood na mata ka jong phi ni ayo ya phi ba ni kirmen ba finyai pintu chap rang kani ka kam lamda flatru ya kirang bashnong at ni hakti hakaja habang isgam kani ka project ni ayo ya phi na mar ba filalong pila ay kata ka jingka shan ka bakong san kung kashnong pangiwan matsadang niya kaniko project. Ma'am, I would also like to mention that we also project on dendrobium flower production that is in Kumling block, and under this project that is also funded by the Department of Biotechnology, we have rolled out this program together with the Institute of Horticulture Technology, New Delhi. And under this project in Umling, we have about 25 beneficiaries and covering 5 clusters.
We marry this project. Let's marry this project.
Thakti.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir, for doing the honor of cutting the cake as a sign of celebrating this event.
Yes, ready.